नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटियाएं। Myself, GVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Human University. In previous lecture, I will be discuss the abscess. Now today we are discuss the homeopathic therapies of abscess. Now, first threatening abscess. In threatening abscess, redness, pain, and thrombing with muscle swelling, the indicated symptoms of belladonna. Muscle swelling with or without redness, burning, thrombing, sticking pain, edema can be prescribed APIS. After belladonna or APIS, if any of these insufficient to check the inflammation, can be given Maxol. Abscess near the rectum, the medicine is Silesia. Formed abscess when pus is actually formed to bring it, it to a favorable termination. The indicated symptoms of hepatosal, local fermentation with hot calendula lotion 2 or 3 times a day. Discharging when an abscess has been open is open spontaneously Silesia. Local a lotion of calendula to keep applied and changed frequently. Chronic suffocation. In abscess, develop chronic suffocation with a hectic fever, debility from loss of fluid can be given China. With great debility, low fever, red tongue, thrustless, anxiety. Indicated symptoms of arsenic alb. Fistulous opening, fistulous opening, fluoric acid, calcareous silicea. Symptoms of blood poisoning. The medicine are arnica, gunpowder, echinacea, Q. Now belladonna. In belladonna, when the abscess is red in color, burning the stage of inflammation, blood boils, there is thrombing pain without formation of pus. Next, hepasal. It acts well in early stage of pus formation. It stops formation of pus or absorb pus in every less time period. It is indicated when the pus start coming out from an abscess, when the pus is thick, yellow, and the patient is sensitive to touch. Silicea. It acts better when there is low healing power. The character of pus is thin and watery in indolent ulcer, which are hard to heal. The patient is chilly, better in dry and warm weather, and worse in wet and cold weather. Bryonia alba. In Bryonia alba, in the beginning, when the part is red with shining stitching pain, worse by slight motion. Aconite act very well when there is abscess with extreme redness and shining, fever with dry hot skin, worse in warm room, evening and night. Calcarea carb abscess. In calcarea carb abscess when not red but pale and painful. Chamomilla. In chamomilla, when the pain is unbearable, we can think of this medicine. Maxol is in Maxol, it favors rapid formation of pus, useful for glandular abscess with thrombing pain, worse from warmth of bed. Fluoric acid to form healthy granulation after silicea. Calcarea sulf, excellent remedy for abscess which is slow to heal after rupture with a continued discharge of yellow pus. Patient desire, open ear, but sensitive to draft, tendency to formation of abscess. Now pulsatilla. In pulsatilla, copious bloody yellowish or greenish pus, worse after taking rich food and warmth, better in cold and open air. Calendula. In calendula, when pus is thick and yellow without inflammation. Stramonium, abscess with excruciating pain, abscess in the joint, especially left joint. Lycopodium, abscess beneath skin, worse from warmth application and warm. Pyrogenum, for recurring abscess condition, it acts well to stop the recurrency. Pyrogen can be given as an intercurrent medicine. Lachesis, abscess with thin, offensive, and dark pus, bluish in color, sensitive to touch, along with burning. So this is the homeopathic therapies of abscess. Now, next lecture will be continuing erysipelas. Thank you so much.